The real estate sector is one of the fastest growing businesses in Lagos, where quite a number of estates are springing up across the metropolis to reduce housing deficits in the state. While developers enjoy the season of delivering housing projects, the Lagos State government is set to enforce environmental impact assessments for proposed development projects in the state. In achieving the goal, the state government, through the Ministry of Environment and Water Resources, is engaging all stakeholders in the real estate sector and developers in the state on the need to abide by environmental regulations.
Its goal is to identify potential negative and positive implications of a planned project early on and to provide effective strategies to avoid, decrease or mitigate any negative impacts.
All necessary steps that must be adhered to include submission of letter of intent and terms of reference for the conduct of EIA for the proposed project, registration of the proposed project with the ministry by obtaining project's registration form, and 9 other approvals that will help ensure the protection of the state environment and public health.
The recommendation for approval are not done single-handedly by us. We consider the details of the report as a technical team, and then recommendations are made to the ministry for approval. Once your draft EI report is submitted to us, in less than a month, you are likely going to get your approval if it is deserving of approval.
Some other issues that need clarification are thrown open as the possibility of reducing the approvals.
What we're responsible to in terms of the EIA laws, that's one, because there's a lot of confusion in that regard between the federal and the state.
During these 11 stages of EIA process clearance, you just form, it will help you.
The State Special Advisor on Environment insists that environmental impact assessment is a critical environmental management tool that must be embraced by both private and public sector in order to achieve sustainable development.
It is now mandatory for project developers in the state to subject their projects to the EIA processes. These include estate development, building projects from 5 floors and above, or 8 apartments and above.
The Lagos State government says the EIA process is backed by the EIA Act, Cap E12, LFN 2004, and the Lagos State Environmental Management and Protection Law 2017, which makes it mandatory for all major developments to subject such to the EIA process and obtain appropriate approval before commencement.